Hello everybody, today we will be hunting only with the bow. Now this is going to be a bit hard, and if I see any level 3s, but there is our first buck and the wind is okay, so I'll see you guys when we get close to him. Alright guys, so I forgot to tell you, we're going to this tree stand up here. And also, we forgot to tell you, comment down below if you like the bow hunting. The bow hunting is really awesome. I would love hunting it with you guys some more. Got my bow here. It's the nice red blue. I love that one. But yeah, let's get into our stand here and see what we can get here. We already have a black-tailed doe. But I hope we could get there without spooking anything. Here's our tree stand. Right there. And we'll just call until something comes. Until something comes. With this bow sight, it's usually easy to center on deer. But I'm hoping I can get in the stand before stuff starts coming. Alright, I'll see you guys when I find something. Alright, here comes a doe. Alright, that's awesome. See if we can get her. This is a very good spot to set up a tree stand. And is that another doe? I don't think so. I didn't hear it coming in. But I hope... And it gives you a nice pocket to see through. Very good tree to set up a stand. Well, before she even gets here, we're probably going to spook her. Oh, she's still calm. I'll see you guys when we get some deer action. So she finally came in and we got a warning call from her. But I'm not sure if she's down there. Like, I can't even see her. I can't even see her now. I want her to come back to me. Doesn't look like it's happening. Oh, she might have ran already. She might have already ran. Don't see her at all. I'll tell you guys when I get more action. Finally, there she is. Let's get her before she gets too close. And it's good. There she goes, she's down. Just wait for more animals to come. We don't have too much hunting pressure up here, so we should be fine, but let's wait until something else comes. That's our first animal down with the bow. There is a doe that way. I think she's hearing my calls. Alright, I'll see you guys when we find something. Alright, so since there's no deer around, I thought we might as well go for a shot on that with the M1 with no scope. Oh my god, we just dropped her. Seriously? It might have been, I'm not sure what happened there, but you look good. Alright, second animal down. That's still a challenge, it counts. So I think we got a doe, it's right underneath us. Oh. Might hear something else too. Alright, we're gonna take her. Right under her. Definitely gonna kill her. Don't even know where she ran to, but she's down. Wait for more deer to come. Oh, she's dead. She's dead. Let's go pick up our deer. Okay, this is doe number 1. All we got were does and cows. Now, I don't see where the arrow hit. From down up there, that was a lung. Single lung, so I nailed her. Nailed it. Next one, I wonder if we can see the arrow in her. Oh, that looked like single lung. Man, we just got lung. Just by a little bit. Alright, here she is. Oh, it's a double lung heart. Oh my gosh. A double lung heart with the rifle. No scope. Oh, I don't know how I did that, but good cash, good cash. So I also just heard a white-tailed doe call up there. So we're going to head up there and see what we can find. Alright, so there is a few whitetails up there. See if they respond to this call here. As you guys can see, there are whitetail up there. We don't know if there's a big bucket up there. I think they heard that. Pretty sure they heard that. Yeah, they heard that. Let me get into the trees here before they see me. Alright, this is going to be great. This is going to be great. I bet we could just get them. Yeah, we were picking up that other doe and all of a sudden we saw some deer up there. Ooh, we got a warning call from that guy. So we need to call some more. Here. Not sure where they are right now. I don't have the best cover. And I don't know if they're coming to my position here. Yeah, I want better cover. Yeah, when they're coming in, I want better cover. Alright, I don't... know what's going on. If there was a few bucks in there, I want to see if I could get. No. I don't know where they went. I'm not too sure. Oh, there's a random dead deer that we probably killed a long time ago. Or earlier when I was grinding for blacktail. We're going to slowly move up here. Oh, it's a buck. Got a flesh on him. It's a 6-point buck. Coyotes up there. Don't think they hear me. How in the world did you hear me? I'm all the way over here. Darn it. Ooh, those whitetail are fleeing. Okay, sorry guys, I broke my promise. I'm gonna have to take it. He's a big one that I might want from that are good for respawns. I'm sorry, I'm breaking my promise. I'm really sorry. Let's do it. Well, we made up for that miss there. Alright, we got him. Now let's go pick him up. He was a nice size. Oh. Really sorry, really sorry that I broke my promise. He was just a big buck, had to take it. He was already running, had to take him with the bow. Alright, he looks big. We might get him mounted. Ooh, that is a big rack. Ooh, hoo, hoo. You got some big tines on you, bud. He is a 258. Wow, he was on the high scoring too. 14-pointer. Woohoo! Length to length. Beam to beam, 21 point. That's a big buck. Get him mounted. Oh wow, he looks great. Let's head out and find some more whitetail. Whoa there, chill my guy. They're all just jumping. Got him. Oh, is that a buck? It is. It's a nice size one. He's kind of glitched. All right. Oh, I missed that. Let me try to get a little closer. That's close enough. That shot worked. That shot worked quite nice. Okay, that's gonna put him down. Chill, my guy. You're gonna get shot another time. Alright. Well, I stuck to my promise there. We shot them with no scope. That's equal to a bow. No bow. Oh, there's a doe. And maybe we could call her in. Probably just gonna go for a shot with the rifle. No scoped. Yeah. Oh gosh, this is gonna be hard. Alright. We'll wait for her to come in a little further before we take that. That's probably as far as she's gonna come over here. That worked. Pretty sure that worked? Oh no, it didn't. We're gonna have to go for another one. It's quite far out. Darn it. I got 5 more bullets left in the M1. Alright, well, let's go pick them up. And there's a whitetail feed zone out there. Yeah, definitely check up here. Seems to be quite a lot of deer up here. Quite a lot of whitetails. Quite a lot of blacktails. Quite a lot of both of them, if I have to say myself. But I'm pretty sure she didn't go down. So we're gonna focus on them down there. I can get a spotting on them. Alright, this is gonna be a bit of a challenge, but Ooh. Did we get that? I'd be very surprised if we got that. Love the M1 for these types of things. I think we got that. I hope we got that. So we put him up there. Just kidding, guys. You want to know how to do this glitch? I'll show you. So what you do is go to here. Take your animal, put it into a right plaque. And the plaque you want it to, put it here, press A. And then you're able to do that. But where I want to put him is somewhere else. That's how I got the, those water buffalo up there. Oh, turkey's good there. Alright. But, what if I put him... Well, not the turkey. Not that turkey. My guy. This is making me mad. Alright, hold on. A big old white tail. No, not the black bear. Not the black bear. Oh gosh, this is funny. Okay, take that. That's a new multi-mount. Okay. Got our whitetail. Actually, he's kind of glitched. Alright, I really don't want it to be glitched. Alright, we'll take that down. And I think we'll put it, and there's a bunch of cool things here. Definitely here. He is one of my biggest whitetail, if not my biggest. Let me see. What are all my whitetail? I got the hollow whitetail downstairs real quick. Let me go pick that. Go check that out. And I got a whitetail multi-mount back there. But I wonder what my biggest whitetail is. This might be my biggest whitetail buck. 210, 171, 167. And then the biggest whitetail are in here. 255, a 260, and a 256. What was this guy? Like a 259? Was he? Was he a 259? Let me think. Yes, he is my biggest whitetail. Just look at that rack. We could put it like this. You can just see how big that rack is. I'm going to put the smaller ones with their rack. Like we found the sheds, so it doesn't look kind of stupid. 210. The whitetail that is 76 will go here. Like we found the shed. And then 210 will go here. I like how it's sheds, big whitetail, small whitetail, as big whitetail. I like this multi-mount. Pretty soon, this multi-mount will be filled with diamonds. Ooh. That does look good, though. And that was a really... Which one's my biggest in here? 74. There's... That one's... A bunch of these are really nice sizes. Diamond Wolf. Cool multi-mount. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed the video, and we'll see you all next time. Later.